Solamente. ¿Eh? ¿Cómo acercar?
He will not look away from my feet.
Es la misma hora de ahí. Johnny,
What?
check to see if the ringer is on the phone.
What phone?
The cell phone.
¿No más?
Como las 10:30. Yeah, check. Is the ringer on? Ese el timbre está subido.
Yeah, I think it's on.
Ay, mira.
Yes.
Dios, me hace caer un día. Come on. Check. No put them follow my face. You want out?
No. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Come on. Come on. You cannot read magazines. You can't read. You're a dog. Oh wait, no, they're people. Never mind. Ah! Whoa! He attacked the camera. Ah! He's licking the iPod. Stop it. What? Move the table. What happened? Grandma. He's tired. Jump on me. Go, 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 go. Listen real quick. This is his like cage. This is home. Go. Get some water. Come on. Some water. Go. What? Man, boy. I'm going to myself. No. Yeah. Look. This is what I have to go do. Get him with the one hand. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I can get. No, come here. Man. Biting my hand. Come here. There we go. Okay, say hi to the camera. Get some water real quick, and then you can come back up. Get some water. Go get the water. There we go. There's water. Yeah. Matchy. Hey. Now your lip is all wet. Oh, that was cool. He like went that way and then he came around so he could jump on the couch. Smart little doggy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Ah! Don't attack my hand. Stop attacking my hand. Ah! Don't attack the iPod. No. Okay, say bye to the camera. Say bye. Okay, that's good enough.